farmer, farmer. Bus driver, bus driver. Baker, baker. Engineer, engineer. Doctor, doctor. Teacher, teacher. Dentist, dentist. Police officer, police officer. Chef, chef. Soldier, soldier. Firefighter, firefighter. Let's practice the sentences. He is, she is. He is a farmer. She is a farmer. He is a bus driver. She is a bus driver. He is a baker. She is a baker. He is an engineer. She is an engineer. He is a doctor. She is a doctor. He is a teacher. She is a teacher. He is a dentist. She is a dentist. He is a police officer. She is a police officer. He is a chef. She is a chef. He is a soldier. She is a soldier. He is a firefighter. She is a firefighter. Let's learn more. Where do they work? A farmer works at the farm. A farmer works at the farm. A bus driver works on the road. A bus driver works on the road. A baker works in a bakery. A baker works in a bakery. An engineer works at the construction sites. An engineer works at the construction sites. A doctor works in the hospital. A doctor works in the hospital. A teacher works in the school. A teacher works in the school. A dentist works in a dental clinic. A dentist works in a dental clinic. A police officer works at a police station and on the streets. A police officer works at a police station and on the streets. A chef works in a restaurant. A chef works in a restaurant. A soldier works at a military base. A soldier works at a military base. A firefighter works at a fire station and on the streets. A firefighter works at a fire station and on the streets. Occupation.